I have Sketchbox. This is June 2023. Okay. There we go. I'm actually very happy. I was hoping we would get inks. These are reactive ink, which I don't know what that means. Do not take internally. Will not do that. Sticker. We have a neon pink Copic multi-liner, a Sketchbox jelly pen, doing the finger test, paintbrush. This is Premium for Original Gold King Art. And here is our art. I like it. I like it. I don't know what reactive ink. It looks like, I don't know, what is this? Oh, these are printmaking and drawing 100% cotton. 10 sheets. Oops. Blue raspberry, fruit punch, lemon drop, and fog. Sweet treat is the prompt. I'll figure out something. It will not be food. Will not be food. I don't like drawing food at all. My swatching sheet's a little bit of a mess. I'm trying to figure out how exactly these inks reactivate. I watched the video and supposedly you're supposed to like put water on them and then you can see. So they come up a little bit, kind of like a tie-dye kind of pattern. These are different colors mixed together. Yeah. I'm trying to figure out what I want to do now. All right, I will restart this. On the back. Alrighty, let's see. We put water down. Put one of each color down, I mean, sorry. Going to add some water droplets. They dry very quickly on this paper, so it's hard to mix the colors. Ooh, that looked good. Okay, pre-wet the paper. There we go. Let's pre-wet the paper. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay, that's pretty. I have no idea what I'm going to do with these things, but I like the blooms they make. Alrighty, let's see what we got here. Alright, so the white goes over pretty good. Pink goes over pretty good. What do I want to do? Guess I'll figure it out.
I know the next morning when the sun goes up, it might be the last day of you and me. You're lying next to me with heavy eyes while I shiver inside with a heavy heart. I know what I've done, and I'm too afraid to let it go. If I could, I would turn back time. If I could, I would take it all back. If I could, I would bring back all the memories, not just only in my dreams. Oh, if I could. You know nothing at all about what's going down. Oh, like a shipwreck, I caught the sails loose. You're lying next to me with heavy eyes while I shiver inside with a heavy heart. I know what I've done, and time is running out for me. If I could, I would turn back time. If I could, I would take it all back. If I could, I would bring back all the memories, not just only in my dreams. Oh, if I could, I would turn back time. If I could, I would take it all back. If I could, I would bring back all the memories, not just only in my dreams. Oh, if I could. Oh, if I could. Oh, if I could.
Alright, here's my finished piece. I didn't have a plan but it looks pretty cool. I like it. These they're really cool. They don't work like anything else I've used. So, I mean, I guess the closest thing that they're kind of like is the Inktense set from Derwent. But yeah, they're pretty permanent when they dry, although you can make little splotches and stuff. But I decided not to do that. I don't know. I mean, I think I'm done. Am I done? See if I can make a splotch or something over here to add some contrast. So let that dry a little bit. Oh yeah, why not? Why not? Let's just keep adding a little bit of contrast. Just put in water on top. Yeah, so it's a cool effect. It's cool. It's cool. I'm cool with this. I'm just gonna leave it as is. I don't want to mess it up. I'm happy with it. It's cool. I don't know what it is, but it's cool. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, these are fun. I used the pink liner here, which worked pretty good with the reddish. Made a mess with the palette. This worked fine. I kind of made like rain or snow or some kind of mix. Who knows? Ash, I don't know. I like the sky here. That's my favorite part. That's my favorite part. But all together, it's pretty cool. I enjoy these products a lot. I cannot wait to play with them more. However, I really want a bigger piece of paper. I'm so tired of working on a tiny piece of paper. But yeah, you like it? Alright. Anyway, have a great day. Hope you enjoyed watching this.